Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and I'm here today again on the Bitcoin conference 2025 in Las Vegas. And today was the last day, the third day. Actually, now the people packing already everything here, which you cannot see right now. And I tried to record now the final video. I got a little bit tired, but let's see what happened today. So, for example, Tether was talking on the stage. I mean, Tether, the company. And well, right now, you know, they have 153 billion US dollar market cap. It's the biggest stable coin, and they actually hold already more than 100,000 Bitcoin and actually more than 50 ton of gold. And what I didn't know is that actually they would like to be the biggest Bitcoin mining company, and they have invested $2 billion US to do that. So what we can see right now, that stablecoin is getting more and more important, and they will be, totally regulated if the Stablecoin Act goes through. It takes time, but we can see the importance of stablecoin. And actually, they said they really like Bitcoin. And actually, well, Bitcoin is the big, strong one, but they would like to help Bitcoin to grow as well. Yeah, so this little bit about Tether. Then Panama has announced that they also going to work probably on a Bitcoin strategic reserve. So we can see more and more countries coming out, and they would like to have some Bitcoin, and some of them maybe we don't even know they accumulating already. Then there were presentations about the quantum problem, because you know this is something which is coming. We don't know the deadline when we have to be ready, and what kind of possibilities we have, and what can it cost to Bitcoin, because you know we should work on it already to solve the problem. And there are many ways how to solve it. For example, if you have to move the Bitcoin to another address, which is quantum proved, then quantum resistant, then what it can cost to the Bitcoin price. Because for example, when you're buying Bitcoin spot ETF, then you're really looking at in dollar terms. You don't even care how many Bitcoin Satoshis you have, how much it's worth your investment. But if you have it in Bitcoin, one Bitcoin is equals one Bitcoin. So it's a different kind of thing. So Bitcoiners don't care that much about the price, but it can have a big impact on it, and it can cause major volatility. So a lot of things, but it was very interesting to hear what they said about it. Interestingly, Schiff was here also at the conference. He had his own stand, and he was also doing a presentation. Very interesting things having him at the Bitcoin conference. Then today we had Cardone on the enterprise stage and talking about his new business model, which includes real estate and Bitcoin together to leverage this whole thing and get the most out of it. Actually, this is also very interesting. And we can see that even the real estate guys, even other companies, all eyes on Bitcoin. Everybody looking some opportunities, how they can get involved into Bitcoin, how they can get Bitcoin on their balance sheet, and so on and so forth. So, and more companies probably come in the future. Then we have Jack Mullers here on stage talking about the fact that how big percentage yield you have to pay if you get some Bitcoin, get some loans against your Bitcoin. And now Strike, their company, it brought it down to the single digit, around 9%. And this could be actually major, because they want you basically to keep your Bitcoin. And if you really need fiat money, then you can, get some loan against your Bitcoin. Michael Saylor emphasized the importance of AI, because he said he and his company spent millions of dollars already on lawyers, but now what he does, every single time he has a question, he's asking AI. If you prompt it properly, then you're getting very great answers. And use the advantage of AI that you can actually get the information from all over the world, basically, because everything is online, and get it through AI. So it's very, very important. It's not just about the crypto. When it comes to business, all these kind of things, if you have a question, leverage this AI thing and get the most out of it, because it can help you and find the answers sooner. And time is very important, so you can save time with that. And then actually finally at the end we had Ross Ulbricht talking, and he talked about very emotionally, you know, he was freed after so many years, and Donald Trump pardoned him. And he talked about the importance of freedom, decentralization, and unity. And these three things, what Bitcoin has, and this community is extremely strong. Look, where are we coming from and where are we right now? So how far we can go. This is actually very, very important. So I think this conference was amazing. Again, we had more than 35,000 people here in Las Vegas just coming to this conference. This conference is going year by year, bigger and bigger. Actually, next year in 2026, it's announced already. It will be again in Las Vegas, end of April. So probably I will then come back. Guys, that was the 3 days here in Las Vegas. I hope you enjoyed this kind of broadcast here on Blockchain Bloom. Don't forget, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you don't want to miss a single thing, and keep yourself up to date. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.